Now we've hooked up all the connections on the drive and we need to hook up the motor. This is the motor power cable again. Remember, the brakes being red has a separate connector, and your motor power leads and ground are on this connector here. And it's simple, you just hook them right up to the motor. This motor does not have a brake, so there's not an extra connector for your brake leads. Just hooked up your motor power directly to your motor and you're good. This is your encoder feedback cable, and this is the side that will hook up in the motor. Again, just a simple connection right up to your motor, and you're set. It's important to note that you set your IP address through the dip switches on the Aries drive so that it will communicate correctly with the red line. In the user guide, it highlights that you need to set your IP address to 198.162.100.2. These dip switches right here represent the 4th octet of your IP address for your Aries drive, and it will be on 198.162.100, but you need to set it to .2. The ×10 here, you need to set that to 0, and you'll see a little arrow. I'm sure you probably cannot see it on this video, but you set the arrow with a simple flathead screwdriver to 0, and then you set the second arrow, which would be ×1, to 2. When the arrow is on 2, it means you're on channel 2 of 192.168.100.2, and you'll be able to connect to your red line out of the box.